Hallelujah. Let us meditate a step further on this blessed Sunday. We are His creation. He is our Creator. When the creation meets the Creator, there is a soul tie which occurs between the creation and the Creator. Maybe we cannot realize because we live in the flesh. We are from the outer surface, living from our abilities, able to do things from the powers of this world. But the day we begin our internal journey, and in this meditation, you learn that one place there is a vacuum where you have been trying to fulfill through different created things by the creation, and you are trying to fill different created things by the creator, then you will realize your sole creator, that is Jesus Christ and Abba Father, is very near to you and close to you. We must connect to Abba Father. Man-made creation and God-made creation have become our idols today. Let us surrender to God and let us try to have a union with the Lord. So, we will be making and meditating a short prayer today. Mighty Jesus, touch my soul. Mighty Holy Spirit, deliver my soul. Abba Father, love me. We will repeat this prayer throughout our day, and we will experience a mighty touch of the Holy Spirit in our day. And some of you may find some changes. In this week, you will be experiencing God's mighty hand. Let us make a short prayer in tongues. Raidalia Shuria Halababa Rababa Shiri Galagala Shiri Galagala. Shalom.